This is a series of videos. Please refer to the methods of stitches, ignoring the yarn color. Select the corresponding yarn colors in your material package to learn. Please refer to both the videos and the instructional brochure during your crocheting process. Please make sure to first view the beginning 10 instructional videos to learn the basic methods of crocheting, and then view the instructional videos for your purchased product.
The potted plant. If you're not familiar with the basic stitches, you can watch the tutorial videos first and practice the basic stitches with the practice yarn and corresponding hook in the kits. There are 2 flower pots, one light brown and one off-white. The crochet methods are exactly the same for each flower pot. We'll demonstrate the off-white one. Please refer to the same methods to make the other one by yourself. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to your index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Working into a magic ring, make a loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger.
Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your little finger. Then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on your middle finger. Yarn on the hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes the magic ring.
In round 1, start with a chain stitch and then work 8 single crochets. Finally, add 1 stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
First, work a chain stitch. Yarn on the hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch.
The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 8 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet.
Insert hook into the magic ring. Pull up loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn on the hook, pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done.
Such a V shape is formed on the side. Place a marker in the first stitch through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. We need to mark the first stitch of every round. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and put up a loop through the ring. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. There are 2 V-shapes on the side. The loop on the hook is not counted as one stitch. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and put up a loop through the ring. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and put up a loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The fourth single crochet is done. Continue to work 4 more single crochets in the same way. Eight V-shapes on the side stand for 8 single crochets. We can count the V's to check the number of stitches. The loop on the hook is not counted as one stitch. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Finally, put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert the hook into the marked stitch. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Then pull the first loop on hook through the other loop on the hook. That's 1 slip stitch.
Snip stitch. Insert hook into the next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a snip stitch. Repeat. Insert hook into next stitch. Hook the yarn. Pull the yarn through the stitch and also pull it through the original loop on the hook. Repeat 1 more time. Okay, that's a snip stitch.
Such a V shape is formed on the side. Tighten up. The slip stitch serves a connection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If the yarn is too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. In round 2, start with a chain stitch and then with 8 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip-stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. Tighten up. That's 1 chain stitch. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then with 8 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch in this round. We'll work the first stitch of each round in the stitch where we just work the slip stitch of the last round. We should insert hook through both loops of the V-shapes to finish the following stitches. Insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up a loop. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. One single crochet is done. This is the first stitch of round 2. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase.
Increase. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, we'll show how to work 1 increase. First, work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then, work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done.
Continue to work 7 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. 8 increases are done. Remove the marker. Insert hook into the marked stitch. Yarn over the hook and put up a loop to the stitch. Then put the first loop on hook, through the other loop on hook. Tighten up. That's one substitch. The substitch serves a connection. It is now counted into the number digits. Round 2 is done.